outside the realm of scientific inquiry, all areas that science dismiss. This phone is ringing. I will continue the video. So basically, I apologize, this has to be organic, natural. Basically, my website is based on a cross-disciplinary, multidisciplinary, transdisciplinary, and interdisciplinary analysis. Primarily it is centered around material science. I may take a radical approach to physical reality. Now, cross-disciplinary, now I'll explain each term. These are just big, jargonic, verbosity term for simplistic phenomena. Cross-disciplinary is when you take an explanatory position of one discipline within the context of another. And it's a difficult field in cross-disciplinary because it requires a parallel, a parity of equal knowledge in both fields simultaneously to have a cross-disciplinary, in-depth articulation of it. So I may explain physics, I may explain apology, I may explain music using physics. Cross-disciplinary entails what is sound? Sound is a collision of air molecules. It has amplitude, frequency, velocity, acceleration, intensity. Intensity, for example, is the distance in which sound travels. Why sound is a collision of air molecules? How sound disperses. Why do we